Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about Uni-Pharma B12 fix. So what are the uses of, what is the use of this supplement, and you should buy this product or not, you should use this or not, and what are the side effects. In this video we will talk about each and everything. Okay, so how to take and each and everything. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you B12 fix. Basically this is in the form of tablets, and this tablet is basically vitamin B12 tablets. Okay, and if you are going to use this product, you are going to fix your vitamin B12 deficiency. Okay, and if we talk about what are the indications, you have vitamin B12 deficiency. So you can see over here, these are all vitamin B12 deficiencies. If you are feeling any kind of depression, mood change, dizziness and cognitive decline, low energy, anemia, if you have any kind of low RBC levels, or if you have any kind of issue related to your blood, and weak muscles and hypohidrotism and pale jaundice skin, or infertility, disturbed vision, glaucoma, indigestion, asthma and paresthesia. Okay, so basically these are all conditions. If you have any kind of issue related to these kind of conditions, it means you are facing deficiency of vitamin B12. So if you are going to use this medicine or this tablet, then you are going to face these kind of issues. And we talk about how to take, you have to use only one tablet per day, and that's it. So if we talk about the side effects, so the side effects maybe you will face if you are going to use this product for continuous 3 months, 4 months, 6 months. So maybe you will face some kind of side effects, but the safe period for use this supplement this tablet only 3 months you have to use. You should use these tablets only for 3 months. Maximum period is 3 months, and you can quit the product after 3 months. Okay, so that's it. So if you have any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and this is the information. But I want to tell you, this information is only for education purpose. Don't try to take any supplement without doctor consultation. You should consult your doctor at least once. Okay, so bye bye.